Alright, so I did a longer video on my personal page, but I want to boost this out, make sure as many people in the area know about the new listing I have coming up here, just a couple of miles south of East Atlanta Village on Boulder Crest. It's a very unique opportunity to get into something. It's about twice the size, actually more than twice the size of the house that sold next door. It sold for $309. It's only 2 bedrooms and fully renovated, and it sold for $309 in less than a week. This one is, again, 2 times the size of that house. 1,500 square feet upstairs, 1,500 square feet downstairs on a massive property. It's actually got 2 lots that come with it. I might show you the backyard. If you want to see a longer video, check out my personal page. But just want as many people to know about this property as possible, because I don't think it's going to last long. And if you see it here first, you can get a chance to get it first. So let me turn this around. So there is an opportunity to open this up here. And here we've already talked to contractors about it. Take out this wall, put the kitchen right there. It's going to list for $295, about $70,000 worth of renovation. This thing is worth $400 easy. I've got the photographer here now. I'm gonna get a floor plan drawn up. Got my dog with me today. Then I'm down. Okay. All right. This is the backyard. Get an idea how massive the home is as well. It's got a stone foundation. This thing is solid, great condition. I'd put a master right there. It's already under roof, and close that carport. Right there is your property. About 3-4 feet to the right of the fence is your property as well. So it's easy to put in a driveway and a carriage house back here if you want. But even back beyond that fence is your land. So again, sneak peek is coming soon on Boulder Crest, East Atlanta Village area. Not gonna last long. My contact information should be somewhere on this page. Shoot me a message, give me a call. Let me tell you how you can get into this and even finance in the renovations.